नमस्कार, मैं हूं अलका शर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं डेली हितैषी। कीमत नामात्र सी और भंडार इतना कि बांटने से बनता चले जाए। आप यहाँ पर सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ, तो आपको बताना चाहती हूँ यहाँ पे मैं बात कर रही हूँ ज्ञान का भंडार देने वाली किताबों की, जिनका अस्तित्व धीरे धीरे डिजिटलाइजेशन के आने से कम होता चला जा रहा है। तो लोगों को एक बार फिर से किताबों को रूबरू कराने के लिए हम आए हैं द ग्रेट इंडियन बुक टूर के 3 दिवसीय प्रोग्राम में। चलिए करते हैं फेमस राइटर्स और ऑथर से बातचीत। हेलो सर।
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून।
सर योर नेम?
मेरा नाम प्रशांत गुप्ता है और द ग्रेट इंडियन बुक टूर का हमने प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया था ये 2018 में। आई एम द वन हु इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इट।
ओके, तो सर 2018 से आप ये कर रहे हैं, मीन्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 years।
राइट।
ओके, सो सर व्हाट यू वुड लाइक टू से अबाउट टुडेज इवेंट?
सो बेसिकली मैं थोड़ा सा आपको इसका बैकग्राउंड बता देता हूँ। ये प्रोजेक्ट हमने क्यों स्टार्ट किया है। द मेन पर्पस ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज़ टू जनरेट लॉन्ग फॉर्म रीडिंग अमंग द स्टूडेंट्स, और उसके साथ साथ में हम लोग नए ऑथर्स को एक मौका देना चाहते हैं। उसके लिए हम लोग ये 3 दिन के इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं इंडिया की डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में। इसमें करीबन 14 से 15 हमारे ऑथर्स आ रहे हैं पूरी इंडिया से। डिफरेंट वर्कशॉप्स हो रही हैं, 4 डिफरेंट वर्कशॉप्स हो रही हैं, अलॉन्ग विद एक छोटा सा बुक फेयर हमने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया हुआ है।
तो इससे जैसे कि आज डिजिटलाइजेशन की तरफ हम मूव कर रहे हैं, तो अभी भी लोग हैं जो बुक्स को पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं।
बहुत लोग हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली कि कम होता जा रहा है लोगों का इंटरेस्ट। वो लोग आजकल किंडल में और बहुत उसमें पढ़ना पसंद कर रहे हैं, बट हमारी कोशिश है कि वो बुक्स की जो खुशबू है वो उसको अपने साथ लेके रखें। तो चाहे वो एक बुक ही है, साल में एक बुक ही पढ़ें, तो उसी हमारी कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम लोग कि ये बढ़े चलन।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
Hello friends, let's talk to the famous author Amit Bagaria. Hello sir.
Hello.
Sir, could you tell us about your books?
I have published 10 books. I've written 10 books, out of which my most popular book is a book called Demythifying Myths. This is about 18 subjects that all of us have grown up learning from either our parents, grandparents or teachers, or reading it in the history and civics books. Which are not necessarily true. From how old is India as a nation, to who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhi, how was he the father of the nation, and several such topics. So this book, it came out in April 2018, less than 2 years back. It has received a lot of praise and acclaim in the market from reviewers who've read it, saying that their eyes have opened up about the truths of Indian history which were so far hidden from us.
Sir, is there any new book you are launching?
Yeah, the new book that has just come out is called Spies, Lies and Red Tape. So my earlier 9 books were all non-fiction. This is my first fiction novel.
Okay. Sir, what you would like to say about this event?
So this event is part of this book tour, the Great India Book Tour, and I have attended 4 of their events earlier. This is the first time I'm in an all-women's college.
Okay.
And in this beautiful city of Ludhiana.
Okay, sir. Sir, as we are moving towards digitalization, so you are launching hard copy only or e-books also?
No, e-books has become part of life. You cannot survive without e-books today. In fact, last year I saw that the sales of e-books in India, when I say last year I'm talking about 2018. 2018 I saw that the sales of e-books in India were only about 30% of the entire sales. By 2019 it became about 40%. And in 2020 I am seeing that e-books are almost 60% of the total book sales. Whereas if you look at the market, the world's largest book market is US. In the US, 95% of book sales are either e-books or audiobooks. So I'm sure even audiobooks will start becoming popular in India.
ओके सर, जैसे कि अभी डिजिटलाइजेशन की तरफ हम ज़्यादा बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो अभी हैं कुछ लोग जो अभी भी बुक्स को प्रेफर करते हैं, जैसे कि ई बुक्स और ऑडियो बुक्स की तरफ लोग ज़्यादा आजकल प्रेफरेंस दिखा रहे हैं, तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
अभी भी बहुत लोग हैं मेरे जैसे। मेरे पास किंडल है लेकिन मैं पढ़ता नहीं हूँ ज़्यादा ई बुक्स। मेरे को वो अच्छा लगता है एक बुक को हाथ में होल्ड करके पढ़ने।
Same here, I'm also a bookworm. And sir, is there any message you want to give to the people of Ludhiana?
Read more, read more, read more.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So, could you tell me about your books?
Yes, I have two books. First one is Feelings of Mind Connected to Heart, that was published back in 2017 by Notion Press. And the second one is launched recently on 21 Feb 2020, I Still Love You. And I should think that the response is very good, as I have seen in that book fair. I have distributed the samples, and I always write on the romance fiction novels.
Okay. So, sir, what you would like to say about this event?
Yes, it's a very good event to promote your book, and Prashant is doing very good in promoting the books on social media, and by organizing book fairs and events in all the cities in India.
Okay. So, is there any message you want to give to the people of Ludhiana?
Yes, the message is only that read my books, and this is a romance fiction novel, and just read for entertainment purpose, and not causing any harm to any social caste or religion.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, could you tell us about your books?
Alright, so this is my second book, which is named as 5 Minutes. My first book was Murky Girl, and I write women-centric book. I write on women empowerment, and when I say women empowerment, I am not being feminist. Okay, so we are actually living in a world where both male and female are striving for equal opportunities and equal importance. But then somehow at some point of time, this patriarchic society compels us to feel a little dominant, especially when we talk about women. So this book, 5 Minutes, it's a story of a woman, a girl basically, and the backdrop is a corporate background. So here a girl comes up from a very small city, and then in order to turn up her aspirations into reality, she faces tremendous difficulties. She struggles through it, commits mistakes, but then yet she tries to overcome it. The best part of this book is that it represents the entire emotional scenario of a family, a friend, and it is something where a girl of like 20 or 25 years age, she falls in love with somebody who is 15 years older to her. Okay, so that's a struggle of a girl, like how does she justifies her love with him, at the same time she has to maintain a emotional connection with her mother and with her friends around.
Okay.
So this is all the book about.
So, ma'am, is there any inspiration behind writing this book?
Inspiration, yes. You are an inspiration. I am an inspiration. Everyone I see around is an inspiration.
Each and every woman.
Every woman. And I think so that when we talk about women empowerment, so we should also consider our male counterparts, because they play an equal role. So we can't empower ourselves alone. We have to educate people around us about the importance of women's rights and how we can safeguard them.
Ma'am, how is your experience about this event?
I'm very, very excited for this event. This is my first event here. I have been doing a lot of events back in Delhi and also in IIT Jodhpur. So that was a terrific experience. So I'm sure that this is gonna be a great show. Let's see what is next in store for me.
As we are moving toward digitalization, so you still prefer books or e-books or audiobooks?
I think paperback still has its value, and because that feel when you hold the book, it's totally different. Yes, ebooks come into picture because there's the world of digitalization, and our mobiles are our key to life. I would say they are the oxygen for us. So yes, ebooks and audiobooks, I prefer both of them, including paperback. But if I have a lot of time with me, I'll always prefer a paperback. Yeah.
So ma'am, is there any message you want to give to the people of Ludhiana?
Message to people of Ludhiana would be to have believe in yourself. So no matter who you are, it's not mandatory to be a writer or to be an influencer. You can be an influencer for yourself, but then you need to believe in yourself, you need to believe in your dreams, and everything will fall in your foot.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much. Hello ma'am. Could you tell me your name?
My name is Mehakdeep Kaur and I run my blogs by the name of Mac and May.
Okay ma'am, what you would like to say about this event?
Well, I was invited to this event to deliver a lecture on food blogging, and it went really well.
And ma'am, how was your experience?
Well, I was told that in my event, almost 50 students came, which is the maximum anyone has ever had. And I was super thrilled and very excited. And as the event went on, the response was really good.
Is there anything you want to say to the people of Ludhiana?
Just follow my blog if you're a foodie.
Okay, thank you so much. तो हमने देखा इस बुक टूर में बेहतरीन कलम का प्रदर्शन किया गया ताकि लोग जो हैं डिजिटलाइजेशन के ज़माने में भी किताबों से जुड़े रहें. फॉर मोर अपडेट्स कीप वॉचिंग डेली हितैषी.
Watch Daily Hiteshi,
Voice of Nation.